Buddy, this is Colt coming to you from CommunityCars.com, Community Ford of Mooresville. I'm coming to you today to talk to you about our Express store within our website. This is basically a digital retail experience where you can do everything involved in buying a car from the comfort of your own home. So without further ado, this is how we're going to get started. You can get there from the main screen of our website, this Express store banner here. There's Express store banners up above. This are easy steps to the sale here, 5 of them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or if you get into any vehicle, I want to show you our used inventory here. We'll go to pickups, and if you find something you like and you're curious about payments, you can also click on the see payment options or start buying process. So let's go ahead and start the buying process. We'll just use this used 2020 Bighorn. And this is going to land us right in the deal screen. I'm going to show you this first because this is kind of the end goal. Once you decide on a vehicle that you want, you're going to go in here and configure everything as part of your deal. So everything down here within the white section is going to be where you're working. You can select between finance and cash, which will give you the cost of the vehicle versus payments. Once you go down a little bit further, you can adjust your down payment depending on how much you need to put down. I'm just going to put $1,000 in here. And every adjustment you make, you'll see that the payment is affected. Let's go ahead and go 84 months. It's a 2020 truck, so it's definitely going to last the life of the loan. That brings the payment down to $630. All right, now the next thing is going to be your credit score. It's going to default to an excellent 800 score. So you can adjust if you've recently had your credit pulled and you know what it is. Or if you don't know what it is, simply click right here on Don't Know Your Credit Score, and it'll do a soft pull and give you basically like Credit Karma, a 30-day-old checkup on your credit. Now, once if you want to get approved, you're dialed in. You know you've got a good idea of where your credit is, and you want us to send you over to the bank to get approved for your loan. Simply click this Get Pre-Approved tab right here, and it'll run you through steps to fill out a credit application. As you go down, the next step is going to be your trade-in, and this is ran by Kelly Blue Book, and we actually get an instant cash offer, which means they write us a check for the vehicle. There'll be a series of steps. I always recommend have your VIN and miles ready and be within close proximity to the vehicle because it's going to ask you a lot of condition questions, and it's a lot easier just to be able to go touch and look at your vehicle and put in accurate notes so that we get an accurate appraisal and an instant cash offer from KBB. If you don't have a trade, simply just leave it on skip trade-in. And as you go down here, the next thing is going to be your protection and insurance coverages. These numbers on the side are going to be how much the payment will go up. So let's go ahead and get a warranty and gap insurance. And you see the payment adjusts up there at the top. And then if you want to see what else we have to offer as far as protection, just click on Show All Plans. And then at the bottom, once you're good and you're settled on a number or you have questions for us, you can either buy this car. Once you click this, it's going to submit a lead over to us, and we're going to walk you through the next steps and coordinate your either delivery or coming in and picking up the vehicle when you're ready. The next thing, if you want to come down and test drive it instead, you can schedule a test drive with us by clicking the test drive button. And then lastly, if you think you've got it all dialed in, you want to show somebody in your family or a friend, simply click Save, and it will save everything that you've dialed in and give you a link that you can either send via mobile or email. All right, I'm going to show you the initial part of the store. If at any point you want to get back to the beginning of the Express store, simply click on the Community Ford of Mooresville at the top, and then you're back at all the new and pre-owned listings. You've got filters down here where you can dial in pretty much what you're trying to look for. You can cycle between cash and finance if you want to look at whether you're looking for $20,000 cars or whatever the case may be. So let's do that. Let's do a $20,000 search for cars with under 40,000 miles. And then up at the top, it's going to show you we have 78 cars under $20,000 and under 40,000 miles. You can sort right here by either lowest mileage, lowest price, however you want. Let's say you're looking for a certain color. Say you're only wanting a white car. That dials it down to 19, and then you can go from here. And then once you're ready and you select one that you feel like looks nice, like this 10,910 mile, $18,476 Ford Fusion, once you click into it, you're right back where we started with the deal screen. All right, if you guys have any questions, please give us a call, 317-831-2750, and that's Community Ford of Mooresville. Thank you, and we can't wait to hear from you.